What if I told you that the secret to glowing, plump, and youthful skin is not just retinol, but pairing it with the right moisturizer? Hello, welcome back to the channel, beautiful souls. Today I'm going to be talking about how to use a hyaluronic acid moisturizer with retinol, the dream team combo for smooth, hydrated, and younger looking skin. If you've ever dealt with flakiness, redness, or irritation from retinol, don't worry, I've been there. Stick around because I'll show you how I layered this combo to transform my skin barrier without peeling or purging. So why retinol and hyaluronic acid? Why are they better together? Let's talk about why this combo works so well. So when it comes to retinol, it increases cell turnover, it boosts collagen production, and it smooths fine lines, wrinkles, and texture. And also it helps to unclog the pores and fade dark spots. But here's the catch: retinol can dry and irritate the skin, especially when you're just starting out. And if you've been watching me here on the channel, you know I suffer from chronic dry and sensitive skin. So using retinol was absolutely not an option for me. And I did use it a little bit for a few days, and it was an absolute disaster when it first came out. Now, with that being said, let's head to hyaluronic acid. So hyaluronic acid is a powerful humectant that attracts water. It works by plumping skin and maintain hydration. It helps to reduce dryness and flakiness from the retinol, and it also supports the skin barrier for a calmer complexion. So when you pair retinol with a hyaluronic acid moisturizer, you will get the benefits of retinol without all the drama. From my own experience, once I started layering a hyaluronic acid moisturizer after applying retinol, my skin went from flaky and reactive to soft, calm, and glowing, and that was an absolute game changer. So how do you use hyaluronic acid moisturizer with retinol? Here is my step-by-step night routine, and here is how I use them together in my night routine. So the step one, I cleanse. I use a gentle non-stripping cleanser. I usually go for something creamy and fragrance-free. Step two, I wait until my skin is completely dry, because dry skin is key before applying retinol, and this reduces the irritation. Step three is to go ahead and apply retinol, and I only do a pea-sized amount because less is more. I dot it across my forehead, my cheeks, and my chin. Gently rub it in. Avoid the eye corners and the crease of the nose. And step four is to follow straight away with hyaluronic acid moisturizer. And this is where the magic happens. After applying the hyaluronic acid moisturizer over the retinol, what it happens is that it goes straight away and locks in the moisture, creates a cushion for your skin barrier. And I love how my skin feels instantly plump and soothed after this step as well. So it's absolutely amazing. And if your skin is very sensitive, use the sandwich method. The sandwich method is moisturizer, then retinol, then moisturizer again. Absolutely amazing. I tried it for the first 2.5 weeks and then gradually started to follow ahead with this 4-step routine of cleansing, waiting until the skin dry, then applying retinol, then applying the moisturizer as well. So here's what to avoid when using retinol and hyaluronic acid together. These mistakes could sabotage your glow, unfortunately. So mistake number one is using retinol on damp skin. So don't use retinol on damp skin. It increases absorption and irritation. Also, don't pair it with strong acids like AHAs, BHAs, or even vitamin C in the same routine. Don't skip SPF the next day because your skin will be very sensitive to sunlight, and do not overuse. Stick to 2 to 3 times per week if you're new. And I simply made the mistake when I first starting out of using it every single night when I first started. Absolute nightmare. My skin freaked out. My rosacea got triggered. There was my whole face was full of dark red patches everywhere. And once I slowed down and added HA moisturizers, the transformation was real. So let's talk about my favorite hyaluronic acid moisturizers to use with retinol. And these are my favorite. The budget-friendly ones are the CeraVe PM Facial Moisturizing Lotion and also the Ordinary Natural Moisturizing Factors plus HA. And one of the best ones that I've used so far is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream. Now look for ingredients like ceramides, niacinamide as well, and glycerin alongside hyaluronic acid because this will give you the maximum barrier support as well. So let's talk about the bottom line. Retinol needs a hydrating partner. So if you struggle with retinol side effects, don't give up. It's not about stopping. It's about supporting your skin. Pairing retinol with hyaluronic acid moisturizer can be all the difference between red irritated skin and calm glowing confidence. So comment below, have you ever tried this combo, or do you have a favorite moisturizer that pairs perfectly with your retinol? And if this has helped you in any way, like and subscribe and tap the bell icon, because next week I'm sharing a full retinol beginner's routine with timeline tips and my weekly skin cycling guide as well. Until then, remember to be gentle with your skin, give it hydration, give it time, and you will glow. I'll see you in the next video. Take care and have a great day.